My name is Gage, and today we will be learning how to make chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. Now, to start, in your first mixture, you will need 2 sticks of butter, which equals a cup, and a cup of sugar. Now, what you want to do afterward, after you've added these 2 ingredients, you want to get your electric blender or hand, whatever you prefer, and mix it up until smooth. This may take a few minutes, and if you are using electric, make sure to not overheat. So after the mixing, you want to add 1 egg, a can of pumpkin, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I recommend adding the pumpkin first, because afterwards you can crack your egg into the can, making it easier to get the shells out. Here we go. Then you want to crack your egg right on the side of that. Drip in. Don't worry about getting pumpkin on the egg because it's going to be mixed in anyway, so it truly doesn't matter. Check your egg for any eggshells that might have fallen in. In this case, no. Then dump in your egg. Then, I should get that right. Then you want to make sure you get a teaspoon of vanilla. It's best to pour it over so nothing falls off, as you've just seen there. And then you mix until everything is blended and makes an orange color. Put your mixture together. Then you want to add 2 cups of flour. The recipe calls for sifted flour, but for this you actually do not need it. For your 2 cups of flour, you want to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of salt. There's that. Make sure you have your measuring spoons at hand. Do not use a regular teaspoon, only because that does not work. You want to have a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda. They look familiar, but no, they're not the same. Let's get these 2 in. Then let's get our teaspoon of cinnamon. There it is. It'll be a little troubling to get out because of its dryness. And half a teaspoon of salt. And for those who have not cooked before, at least in pastries, many of recipes will actually call for salt. It may seem a little weird, but it truly isn't. There's that. Then, of course, mix them together. Sorry about that. Correction. You do not actually mix the flour mixture itself. What you want to do now is pour it into your pumpkin mixture and then mix this together. Now, after all your mixing, just to make sure you did it right, your batter should look like this. It should be quite thick. Now, what you want to do is preheat your oven to 375. And while that's preheating, you want to put on your cookies. For your cookies, there should be at least 1 full tablespoon of cookie dough. Congratulations. You have finally made your pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Now, the final step, enjoy.